I joined CSC in 2012. I had a real focus to try and simplify the concepts of insurance a lot more. How could we better support members through the claims process? lifePLUS cover provides more than just paying the bills. It also is a gateway to accessing so much more than that. It allows people to focus on what's important, and that is getting better or helping those who need to get better, get better. The Restore program is a rehabilitation program specifically designed around mental health, and the lifePLUS cover group insurance offering allows members to be able to access that rehab program. Mental health can be a primary cause of injury or illness. It can also be a secondary. If people are suffering from a car accident or something like that, they're off work, they're spending a lot of time sitting around, mental health then starts to become a secondary risk. So that's where that Restore program treats the whole person.
We have the largest rehab network in Australia. If someone calls us and they've been off work for just a really short amount of time, typically we can send them down an early intervention path. So that rehab might just be almost preventing them from having to take too much time off work. We meet with that person, we discuss with them what's going on, their goals, we connect with their doctors, we connect with their employers. And once we get that full picture, then it's really about what's going to help that person. For some people, it's about connecting them to like the men's shed. So they have a social connection, so they're not at home not doing anything, or sometimes it's about retraining. It's about wellness, it's about helping you live your best life, and it's about a life beyond illness. Superannuation is about your future, right? So getting rehab right, that just helps that future.
We care about our members, first and foremost, right? We don't want to see members who have a health event at 35 be told that they're not going to be able to go back to work for the rest of their life.